Hey nail tubers, what is up nailification squad? We're doing gel polish today guys, and these are the colors from my Born Pretty video. And I came up with this soft and lovely pastel set after remembering some 3D Fluttery butterflies I've had since last year and haven't used but one time. For this set, I started with base coat. Another option you would often see is to etch the nail and go straight in with the color. You'll find me to do either way in this series. If you're new, my name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. I do a variety of content like these bougie nails on a budget and acrylic, polygel, and product reviews. I also have other fun things that you don't want to miss. So if you find that you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel and join our nail tube family. Yellow is the primary color for this set. And I use the other colors from the same kit too to create a marble design. As you can see, Bougie Nails on a Budget has been going through some transformation. And I really hope you like it. I wanted to start doing something different from before with the visuals, while pushing myself to learn new things. And in the course of this, it has inspired some new interests, and I've been having so much fun behind the scenes. With this yellow, I place lines on my palette with the other colors, a pink, a teal, and purple. I do a thinner line of the darker colors to keep them from overpowering the yellow and pink. The ombre brush makes creating the marble effect really easy. But first, I use the end of my dotting tool to swirl the colors without overdoing it and causing the colors to totally blend. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I just select the areas off the palette to start or fill the brush with more of a different color each time. It's so easy to do and it turns out so flowing and pretty. So I pulled away any overflow by touching an edge gently with my finger and slowly pulling the accumulated polish towards the edge. Gold makes everything look more extravagant. I used gold to match the gold trimming around a couple of butterfly stickers I used. A layer of top coat to make this set shiny and uplifting. And before I cure the top coat, I use base coat to place some bling. It has also become my go-to, especially when doing videos. I did a video explaining and showing that you can actually use base coat to secure bling. And this method definitely hasn't disappointed me yet. I even did a vigorous test to show that the gem stayed in place during some very rough handling. Remember to check that one out. This can be a game changer when you don't have bling gel. You can save those coins. I just love how these turned out. They're so soft and feminine. I felt that the 3D Fluttery butterflies added to the dainty appeal of this set and the soft colors. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to hit the like button and let me know. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, click the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.